Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make Google Chrome more secure with just a few simple adjustments. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots there, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings interface where you can customize nearly every aspect of your browser's behavior and security features. Now, once you're in the settings page, look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel with different categories. Click on Privacy and Security from this menu. This section is specifically designed to help you control how Chrome handles your data and protects you while browsing the web. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll notice several options listed. Find and click on Security. This is where Chrome gives you control over how aggressively it protects you from dangerous sites, downloads, and other online threats. Here's where you'll make your first major security upgrade. You'll see three radio button options for protection levels. Click on the radio button next to Enhanced Protection. This setting provides Chrome's highest level of security by actively checking sites and downloads against Google's constantly updated database of threats, giving you real-time protection as you browse. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Always Use Secure Connections. This feature automatically upgrades your connection to HTTPS whenever possible, ensuring your data stays encrypted as it travels between your browser and websites. Click the toggle button beside it to turn this protection on. Continue scrolling and locate the option that says Use Secure DNS. DNS is what translates website names into addresses your computer can understand, and using a secure version prevents others from seeing which sites you're visiting. Click the toggle button beside it to enable this feature. Once you've enabled Secure DNS, you'll notice a drop-down menu appears labeled Select DNS Provider. Click on this drop-down and from the list of providers, choose Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. Cloudflare's DNS service is known for both its speed and strong privacy protections, making it an excellent choice for secure browsing. And that's it. You've just significantly upgraded Chrome's security settings, giving yourself much better protection against threats and better privacy while browsing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.